Mutie mi anopaya mo penny pa mo MC wa ha a friend honorable Abubakar Sadiq ni dino ne Mankranso yes mudini
yeah Mankranso
yes Chief Bokode
Obaji adom de yamiase
na also office bibi akoso
yami adom ne mo mpa bo bibi akoso kama
yes mo ya mo Greater Kumasi in the animal challenges in North Society.
It's not true. Also because of urbanization.
Yes.
Into where they are because of the densely populated nature of the area. The challenges in Bedoso.
That's true.
Because sometimes old settlements. Because of say old settlements, where there are challenges in terms of sanitation and whatever.
I see.
Yeah. And as the population is growing also. Over you need to expand infrastructure in terms of health and service.
Exactly.
So that can meet the demands of the constituents.
I see. That's true. Now, so far, major challenge here. Major challenge. Major.
Sir John, before I remember wish you of the challenges. I mean, for Konya, we na menchia Yaman Penny, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, any Asante Maura, Yura. Or say to Ababio. Na Asante Mountain so for Dr. Fraka Makohen. We just say na ye bo penny abaso. Any edumason odi Asante Mountain by trying to open up the region to invest into it. And anyone wants say obia the Ebon Abaso. Na minchia the party machinery as from the national region up to the constituency. It's true. Miami constituency. The chairman Nuruddin, and the entire executives of the Tafo constituency. Even though you know more, we wish them well. Until over Tafo, MPP and NDC, Abrebiano, I think say we have a good relationship. Yeah. That notwithstanding, no, say do election there, Agrobia
and then no say. Mo MP.
Yeah.
Miaminia Vincent. Na odru mo party office. Also the Bob abebo mo party office and na fe.
When you
chairman when you
see. In fact, in terms of lights and street lights, we procure not less than 500
street lights.
Street lights. Emma at the ball most of the major streets. Miami office me the big ball.
Okay.
Not knowing say Miami Vincent, you could pa you be street light in few posts. So.
Hey!
I dear chair me I say oh minya I say all the light a couple posts so. In the case about party office can light in you and can never more. By light a pole light is so. Obi be oba more or moto brodiana. They can attest to you say oh na light or
ojo ono na ko ono na ma obi ko yi ye no ono de bi ko bo ho. Just for what?
Sana
for the
send a bell score political points.
Hey,
but me was on my chair almost 500. The ministry so they buy me. Any the Ministry of Local Government, any energy, and they become almost 1,000. But then if we say and we a media, normal we give it to the West Department.
No, but I'm talking na Bob Bonasi.
Oh, a brand new crown name.
Oh,
at Metro no.
And na bi mo ho no or bi be bo ho.
E obi na bi bo ho.
Me person say
yeah obedru on there na
omadi the other ko bo ho no matu afri.
Matu afri ho.
And ono de bi be bo ho. And we score political points ono na fix mo constituency office street light amamu.
You see okro MPP office cry me bi akobo.
Wow. Also amani bi.
O mama ni bi dada.
Oh okay. I see.
But that's on the lighter.
Oh yes, I mean that's
so.
Didn't you share the major issue?
Major, so again, nyami adumo ochina medi na yebefa akonya we so aboma baso ene Ghana eduma yefo nyina se papa ne awofama omanyama oman no empuntuo, and it's only fair say yebefa akonya we so na yabon but Tafo Tafo Municipal Assembly the municipal coordinating director and the presiding member and the assembly members need my phone. You bought on my basso, we wish them well. Say, Sion Kofa, where you know Montano, because so now I'm a Tafo municipal and there, which you media because we free Adumo, I call Adumo. Into what challenges are major ones out there, it has to do with sanitation.
Wow.
Because Woba, the CBD, that's the central business district now. won say e ho no ene media activities de ekoso economic activities de ekoso ho ye. But as a municipal no, we are committed in say you better me ensure say we have a clean and safe environment. Send a better team for no so ho ebe ha mo. With the president directive or initiative of say every Saturday, first Saturday of the month, organize a sanitation day or clean up exercise our month. I'm saying, me buy no say you media ekoso ama aboa ama ahondidie so de ekoso. E begin last week KGC bia did dustbins ebesi akwan send e beya omo nam kwam wonu musuo kura na say if we na kuta obetum di ide e dia to dustbin. We are going to initiate a program say obi bia e be won say wo dey bottle water and a sachet and then be fed out to phone. No, we will have a sanitation task force.
Oh,
send a bit to me abua because Accra is not different from Kumasi. Oko Accra, you don't encounter all those problems and now if you know but only Uber Kumasi Asebi, the garden city of West Africa. And there's we know and Yura a sentiment and so for Ebua say or Bessan idea, but then as MMDCs no say so yeboa emadwumedi no ekoso. Yeah. Nti na me ya adomo this Saturday. Ye di enyi ekire Etimetim Junction. Clean up exercise no. Wo be Etimetim Junction the taxi rank no. Wo be hu say there's a drainage bi wo ho. Squatters no omode containers e so. Nti nsuo to
right and left.
That's left. Okay. Taxi rank no.
Taxi rank on the opposite. Okay.
No. Taxi rank na nkasa mo.
Okay.
Be a cemetery no.
Okay. Cemetery me hu.
Yeah,
yes.
very
okay.